I've always wondered how Coke Zero tastes, because my friends always have it. They say it tastes exactly the same as Coke. And I don't mind drinking drinks, no sugar and no calories. I usually just drink water because I prefer to eat my calories than drink them. Okay. Cheers. Like, it tastes exactly the same. That is really good for a zero sugar, zero calorie thingy. Can you see that? 12 of these for $5.99. That's really good. I'm gonna link that there. I'm also gonna link this cup here. It came in a pack of 4. It's so cute. It's completely airtight, so it's really good to have around the house.